Uy, si Jeriel! So, hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So, ngayon tatanim tayo. Halika dito!
Oh no!
Guys, ganito mo.
You.
So, ayan. Reviews of the van.
Yeah, you're gonna have diarrhea. Ayun guys.
Kaya niyo po guys, oh.
He's dying. Let me give him a golden apple. Here's a golden apple. A golden apple. Oh, ito golden apple. Golden apple.
Teka lang, boy. Sa video na yon, binasa ko si Adrix. Binasa ako ni Adrix nung.
Wala yung bubig eh.
I think you will diarrhea.
Ang dami pa sa tangko.
Ligo ka, ligo.
Ayaw ko.
Ulit. Yeah! It's a golden water. Magbumog ka.
Magbumog ka, boy.
Say, ah!
Wala na.
No. Paano ulit?
Ano lasa? Hey, that's... Okay, no one. Sigma.
Bigat mo. Huwag dito. I'm following part 1 of following CD. Part 1 of following CD. Ay, you made your little brother emo. See?
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind.
AB, why are you taller than your brother? Go get him. AB, why are
Is
you
your kuya
taller than your brother?
aparas?
Yo! Police properly.
Ikaw! Pasaway kay... Sino ka ba? Ha? Sino ka ba?
Di ka anak ni mama, no? Hindi ka rin... Ay, wait lang.
Yeah, 6, 7. Na, say 6, 7. Sir. Yeah!
I like Anya from Spy X Family.
Parang
And
ganyan
then
kasi.
Sir was Anya. I had to do it.
What the? Ay! Ay!
I have to do it, man. There's no other way. He's Anya. I
Wait.
in a gay way. Just say Jeriel. Yeah, that's Jeriel.
Jeriel!
Hala! Paano lakad, boy?
Sige, ano lang?
Hala! Ay, what the?
Pangit, may jolen. Itlog niya parang jolen. Pakbo siya tunayas. Ang utak niya parang proben. Sige magalit kayo. At least react na ako. Misa